This is Munich main station. It's under construction. Next 2 years, I think, will be finished, and it's gonna be the best main station, train station here in Europe and all over the world. This is the best part of Germany. Usalama, kuna usalama kila sehemu ukipita ni usalama. You know? Uwezo kufanya chochote, awe uwe mwanaume, uwe mwanamke, uwezo kufanya chochote. This place is nice, by the way. And here there's the underground trains. See, everywhere there's underground trains. And now it's only bars they're opening. Only bars are opening, but most of the things are closed. And everything is closed. And it's getting cold, very cold now. And I have to go home. It's getting cold. It's getting colder, colder. It's getting cold. It's getting colder, colder. It's getting cold. Here's the underground train. It's getting cold, as you can see. The fog is everywhere. Everywhere is fog. Hey, what happened? Why you drive so fast? They're not used here in Munich, people driving so fast. I have to go and get a train now. Here's Hauptbahnhof. Hauptbahnhof means the main station. There's a train number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 7, number 8. Me, I'm going to get a train number 5. I'm going to get a train number 5. It's big. This is a train station. The main station is very big. Very, very big. You can go all the way over there. But me, I'm going down here. You can go down here, and there is another down. See? I'm getting train number 5. Train number 5. I'm going home now. I'm going home. There is a train, I think, on 21. Or yeah. So 40 minutes from here, I have to take a bus. Yeah, sorry guys, I have a flu a little bit. A flu because of the cold. Because of the cold. Trains come in the next 7 minutes. Everywhere government train comes in 7 minutes. I'm tired. I have to wait my train. Train yangu inakuja mpaka pa mwisho. Ni ndefu, kwa hiyo I'll be here waiting. Hapo mwisho kuna lift. Kwa watu ambao wenye ulemavu wanapanda lift. Yeah. Kwa train inakuwa ni ndefu. Train number 4 inaisha pale mbele. Train number 4, lakini namba 5 inaisha mpaka hapa. Kwa hiyo sipendi namba 4, nitapanda namba 5. Yeah. Okay guys, video hii ni fupi tu. If you enjoy watching the videos, if you didn't subscribe, please kindly subscribe and like the videos, guys. Okay? Au revoir. Adios amigos. Thank you. Danke. Tschüss.